Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you are new or relatively new to attempting to market on TikTok, you really want to make the most of the opportunity to get more business thanks to this platform, which is totally possible and is why I'm going to share with you the trouble with TikTok marketing 2021. You don't want to miss this. But before I forget, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed in terms of content marketing while you're doing business online today. Now, if you want to know how in 2021 you get to 400,000 fans or followers on TikTok in a way that's both realistic and conducive to doing business, my family's business, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, hit that milestone recently, and we continue to grow at a rate of hundreds or more fans per day. And that's why I created the video, how to get 400K tip followers on TikTok. So if you missed that video, be sure to check it out. But here in this video, I'm going to teach you what to look out for. We're going to discuss the trouble with TikTok marketing in 2021. Understand your ideal customer, or else. This isn't an app that works in exactly the same way that other apps you're more likely used to, like Facebook and Instagram, for example. But if you know your ideal customer inside and out, you know what interests they have that intersects with your business and the types of products and or services that your business can offer to them, and you have the insight about what kind of content on TikTok your ideal customer is likely to consume that has to do with the desire and or problem that they have that would have them be interested in a business like yours. Then you've done the foundational work that you need in order to intelligently create content on TikTok that will be more likely than not capable of scoring you more business conversions on that platform. Because the trouble with TikTok marketing 2021 to start with is if you're an entrepreneur who's not on that app, either creating content or consuming content or both, for even personal reasons, you won't understand how to use it for professional reasons, and or you won't have enough of an understanding about your niche and the type of content they like to consume, both on TikTok and off of it. So you could very well be creating content that doesn't land on the TikTok platform because relationship marketing rules. You're not trying to straight up sell directly to your niche on TikTok. That's not the corporate culture on the app, even in 2021. People and businesses aren't really doing that. So if you're just trying to go for the jugular and get the sale on that app, well, that's not the type of marketing that tends to succeed on that app right now. The type of content you should create, no matter what your niche, pitch, product, and or situation is, should be relationship marketing driven or related for TikTok purposes right now, not straight up sales content. Right now, you're creating content and optimizing it intelligently through the use of hashtags so that your content can be found in search by members of your niche who are looking for content that has to do with their intersecting interest. Not a particular company, but if you know what you're doing and you create content that you know your niche will like, they'll find your business through that type of content, even though they weren't looking for your business per se. Thanks to hashtags, plus thanks to the TikTok algorithm, your content will likely be served out to people who are likely members of your niche and or people who will likely enjoy that content, or both. The hashtags you add just before you publish your content do, in fact, help your content be indexed long after the TikTok algorithm stops serving it out to people. That algorithm serves out new content in waves, so if enough people comment on or otherwise engage with your content, follow you, and so forth, then the algorithm gets enough positive digital data to continue to serve you out to a second wave of people, and so on. When your content fatigues, the algorithm stops serving you out to new people. but the hashtags you've optimized your content with will still help people find your content and content like yours using the Discover and search box feature that's on the top of the Discover page or screen in the app. So you need to know your niche to create content that the TikTok algorithm is likely to recommend to your niche and people like your niche. And the relationship marketing based content you create shouldn't always just be about you and your products and or services, but it should have everything to do as much as possible with the needs that your business can help to fulfill and or the problems that it's there to help solve. Can you show people tips, tricks, and techniques that have to do with solving their problems or satisfying their desires without you straight up saying, buy this, but all the same, your content stars your products, let's say. When your profile and all of the content in your account's feed serves collectively as a resource for your ideal customer, they're going to want to have a relationship with your business. First, they might want to follow you because, wow, there's so much great content there, and there'll likely be more where that came from, right? Second, they'll interact with your content because it has everything to do with what's on their mind right now, the problem that needs to be solved or the desire that they want to fulfill. Third, build up enough KLT factor with your ideal customer. That's what I call the know, like, and trust factor. And over time, they'll message you in-app to ask more about what you have to offer, to ask questions, to talk shop with you, and so forth. And that's where you can convert them into opt-ins into your email list, like offer them a coupon, offer them a freebie, something like that. And after that, convert them into a paying customer. Right now, from what both Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill is experiencing, and many of my thousands of students are experiencing, much like on Instagram, a lot of the business you can do, well, it's all done in the messages or direct messages. But the trouble with TikTok marketing in 2021 here is you have to put in the time to put in enough deposits into what I call the bank of KLT before you can expect to make any withdrawals beyond getting content lurkers to convert into account or profile followers. If you're not patient in terms of your content marketing efforts, you won't likely get any conversions at all, though. You have to publish consistently to the platform, and you have to appreciate the fact that the content you're publishing is all about relationship marketing so much and not straight up sales marketing, because the way content is right now on the app, outside of paid advertising, that's not what people want to see when they're consuming content on TikTok. Variety is VIP. The trouble with TikTok marketing in 2021 doesn't stop there if you're new to content marketing at all, let alone on TikTok. You can't just put up the same type of content all the time in terms of your short and sweet videos. You have to be creative because no follower wants a boring content diet of the same old flavor of video. Some videos should be entertaining, some should be inspirational, and some can be downright educational or like how-to in nature. But all of your content, again, should really relate to the intersecting interest that would bring a follower to you. What problems would they pay you to solve? That your content is convincing them one piece at a time that you're capable of solving for them, perhaps better than anyone else. Because at the end of the day, you can't pay your bills with followers or likes, but with money, right? And people pay entrepreneurs to solve problems, satisfy desires, or both. Nothing else. So serve up a variety of content and you'll stay interesting with followers long enough, we hope, to put in so many deposits into the bank of KLT that they're reaching out to you via messages to learn more about how you can help them with their specific needs. Patience is a virtue. Finally, the trouble with TikTok marketing in 2021 as an entrepreneur is that you're not really going for getting anyone and everyone to follow you. So in the beginning, your conversions might go a little slower, but that's really not a bad thing. Why? Remember, when you try to sell to everyone, you end up selling to no one, right? So you're selling to your specific ideal customer, and people do tend to pay more for custom crafted solutions that are made specifically for people like them with their custom, more unique needs. But when your content marketing the way by and large I would recommend that you do, that likely means that your account on TikTok may not blow up to be all influencer big. And that's okay. If you're not trying to do business solely following the influencer business model, you don't need millions of people following you. The advice I've given you in this video is the same exact advice we at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, my family's business, has had to follow on TikTok. And check us out on the app. You can see that it works and that it continues to work. Now check out these two awesome videos because they're going to help you increase the effectiveness of your organic content marketing too. Enjoy.